It's a war for souls. If you were running an army and you needed to get as many people on your side as possible, and you needed to have those people declare allegiance to you, and you know that you could count on them, and if you knew there were legions of people that were helping you get those supporters, that were enabling you to get the army that you required, because the end time scenario was starting to play out, there would be, as you knew, 200 million people ready to fight you. What would be the most important thing for you? You'd want to have the most number of people possible in your army. And this is what we're faced with right now. The world is being recruited. The world is being recruited. It's us versus them. The more people who give their lives to the living God, the less souls will be lost to the enemy. You see, this enemy is not playing fair. He has never played fair. He will never play fair. And he will continue to lie, steal, and destroy. That's his way. He can't do it any other way. He is... Man, there are no words to describe this enemy. How many people are going to get lost because of ignorance, because they never bothered to check, because they never went with that prompting in their hearts? It's a way too complicated for some people. And I'm just saying, right now, it is vitally important at this time, in space and time, that we be the ones who build this army with as many possible souls